Hi, everyone, welcome to AppGeeker channel. In this video, we're gonna share something very helpful for every iPhone user. That is how to recover the photos that have been deleted or lost on your iPhone. So now, let's get started. Depending on the situations that you accidentally deleted your photos from your iPhone, we'll give you different options to help you get them back. So in today's video, we'll list 3 most common scenarios and help you recover your deleted photos in different and easiest ways. So, let's get into our option number 1, which is to recover the photos that you have recently deleted from your iPhone. Of all the methods, this one is the easiest and quickest way to get your pictures back, and it requires no backups. You can get the job done right away on your iPhone. So, just like the trash or recycle folder on your computer, there is a specific place on your iPhone that holds all the pictures you deleted within the past 30 days. It's called the Recently Deleted folder, and it's where you can get your photos either recovered or permanently deleted. So don't panic when you inadvertently deleted a picture from your iPhone photos. You can check the Recently Deleted folder first. To do that, open your Photos app, and go to the albums at the bottom. Then scroll down a little bit, and you can see the Recently Deleted folder is right here on your screen. So open it, and take your time to select the photos which you wish to undelete. When you're ready, tap the Recover option, and all the selected items will be put back to their original locations. Also, if you want to recover them all at one time, just simply tap this Select option at the top, and choose Recover All at the bottom. It's a lucky case that you can find the pictures in the Recently Deleted folder that you want to undelete after accidentally deleting them. But if you're looking to find the photos that you've deleted over months, this Recycle folder won't be able to help you. But don't worry, our option number 2 can get it fixed. So here, I'm gonna talk about a very powerful data recovery tool for iOS. You can use it on your computer to get back your deleted iPhone photos with simple clicks, especially when you can't find the pictures you want in the recently deleted album, or you've got them permanently deleted already. To get started, you will need to use your Mac or PC, and make sure you have a suitable cable to connect your iPhone with your computer. So now, you can open a browser on your computer, and head to appgeeker.com. From the product list, you can find the iOS data recovery easily. You can get a free trial. It will scan your iPhone and tell you exactly what's recoverable on your device, like photos, messages, contacts and much more. So, the download link will be included in the video description down below. Feel free to have a try. Alright, now, let's see how it helps. So, after the quick installation, open the iOS data recovery on your computer. Then, get your iPhone connected. It may ask for your iPhone's trust. If so, follow the on-screen instructions to enter passcode on your phone. Once connected, click Start Scan button. It will dig into your system to find the lost and deleted photos on your iPhone. May take a little while here, depending on how many recoverable files your device has. Make sure not to use your phone during this process. When the scan is finished, you can now head to the Media section on the left. As you can see, it brings you several options that you can select to recover your photos from different folders. You can preview all the deleted pictures and get them back from the camera roll, Photos library, app photos, and more. Now, it couldn't be easier. Just simply select the photos and anything else you want back, and click the Recover button. Then a pop-up box will let you select an output folder to save the recovered items. After that, all the selected pictures will get recovered to the target folder as soon as you hit the Recover button again. After that, all the selected pictures will be recovered to the destination folder as soon as you click on the Recover button again. Once done, you can navigate to the save location and all the recovered photos will be there for your later use. So as you see, it's not hard to get back the permanently deleted photos from your iPhone, and no backup is required. Alright, the last option I'm gonna show you is to use an iCloud backup for a wireless photo recovery on your iPhone. If the photos you're looking for are not in the recently deleted folder on your phone, there's still a chance to get them back by using an iCloud backup. However, it only works on the premise that you've backed up your iPhone to iCloud storage before you permanently deleted your photos. And to restore photos from an iCloud backup, your iPhone has to be reset to factory settings or get totally wiped. That is, it's gonna erase all your current data on your iPhone and restore them from the latest iCloud backup. You may lose your content created most recently. Alright, when you're sure you have everything backed up in your iCloud, including the photos you've deleted locally on your phone, then you can start resetting your device. So, go to Settings on your iPhone, and tap General, and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. To make a full reset, choose Erase All Content and Settings. Here you'll be asked to log out of your Apple account by entering your Apple ID and the password. Then wait for a short while. Your iPhone will wipe out everything and restart. When your iPhone is saying hello, you can now follow the prompts to set it up from the very beginning. Here, I'm just doing a quick setup on my phone. Okay, when you reach the apps and data screen like I did, the Restore from iCloud backup option is here ready for you. Tap it, and select the most recent iCloud backup to restore your iPhone. Depending on your internet speed and how much content you have, it may take a few minutes to complete. Once done, you can go to the Photos app to see if the deleted photos have been restored to your iPhone successfully. Alright, that's the 3 quick options to recover your iPhone photos that you've deleted recently, or permanently. Hope it helps. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give us a like. And we'll keep sharing useful tech tips, so feel free to subscribe to learn more. Thanks for watching, see you next time.